This video contains nothing. It's only you, me, and this table I can get on Blender a few hours earlier. There is no door to be seen, except a light that seems to be coming out of nowhere. We are now both trapped in this world, and the only way to get out is to do nothing. You just need to wait. Maybe this is a little bit too quiet, so let's add some little noises here. There, we have some noise now. Okay, let's talk about something that happened for the last few days ago. Indonesia finally starting their analog switch off for television. The thing is, probably most of everyone now watch things on phone. So basically, there is not much happening anyway. You have just wasted about 1 minute and 11 seconds. Thank you for watching this nothingness.